plus positive from other FTs. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah,
Just
please.
setting up the meeting for YouTube
Yeah,
live
please.
stream. Yes, ma'am.
One of you copy the live stream URL, YouTube URL. At the left top, you have that. Let me copy this and post it in the chat space. Not here. I posted this in the chat space in our e-learning
Okay, okay, ma'am.
space. Okay. Share your screen, Bishra.
Yeah. So this is a Nomio screen. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, so I am logging in as a teacher.
Okay.
Okay, so I have logged in as a teacher, and the course that has been assigned to me is assignment settings. I have taken this as a course.
Oh,
So we'll
okay.
click on that and click on edit mode. So basically today we are discussing about the assignment module settings. What is that assignment module? So the first thing it should come to our mind is assignment module settings are nothing but it's a kind of in terms of in terms of IBS, if you say the faculty is bound to give some home assignments, some small exercises, some problem solving skills, some short notes, some caselet types questions.
Yes.
So it's a component of continual
Sometimes group assignments, they prefer group assignments
assignments.
also.
So
Yes.
it's nothing but a component of continual evaluations
Evaluation.
to be
Yes,
done by
good.
the students individually, or as ma'am said, it's a small groups.
Yeah, good. So this is what I expect from you also, Rajeshwari. Use case scenarios with IBS. You always start your session with that. Okay.
So
Yeah.
assignment activity module basically enables a teacher or a faculty to communicate multiple tasks and to collect and provide grades and feedback to the students. So if you see in a student's perspective, they can submit any digital contents or files. They can be a word process documents, spreadsheets such as Excel sheets, images, or audio or video clips. So these are available in this Moodle platform where they can submit their assignments. So alternatively, in addition to this, the assignments may require students to type directly also in the Atto toolbar as a text editor. And assignments can also be used for reminding students for creating real world assignments that they need to complete offline and submit it. So that provision is also available in this assignment module. So either they can do it individually or as a member of groups, they can perform these assignments. And for the teacher perspective, when reviewing the assignments, they can leave the feedbacks, comments, and they can upload the files, marking up the student submissions and documents. And they can also give their comments in a spoken audio feedback files also. And these assignments can be graded using numerical or custom skills that are defined by IBS. So it's a completely rubric kind of thing that will be decisive by the faculty itself. And final grades can be recorded in the grade book. So let's go to the assignment module.
Have you explored rubrics? No. Have you explored rubrics, Bhishma, or yet to explore?
Yet to explore that. The basic one, what I have seen is, for this mid-level exams and all those things, they have given that 10%, 20% like that, sheet they have given in our
No, not
syllabus.
that one. Today, I'll share OERs, rubrics released as OERs.
Okay.
Rajeshwari and you, both of you explore. Moodle supports Moodle forum module and assignment module. These two modules support assessing students' skills using a rubric. So I'll share that a rubric, okay, so
Okay.
that you can, that is useful, and some of the faculty members, say for example, Ahmedabad, Dr. Pedav Gosalia, some faculty members, at least 20% faculty members are interested in using rubrics for grading students.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
My PPT is already available, I think, in one of the training courses. Please go through that and then start
Yeah.
working on this. Okay.
Okay.
Next, for the next session, Rajeshwari, you present on creating rubrics for assignments and grading using assignments. Okay, Rajeshwari?
Okay, ma'am.
Because at least 20 to 25% faculty members are interested. They have been using this. Go through my PPT and go through my video training video that's available in 2020, I think, MEBL 2020 training.
Assignments
Yeah,
using
please
rubric and
continue.
excuse me.
Yeah,
One second.
creating rubrics for assignments and grading using assignments. I mean, grading assignments using rubrics. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
And also include in that assigning group assignments. Okay, for that. So
Okay.
creating group assignments, creating rubrics, and submitting as a student, and grading shows the student view how the rubrics will be visible to the student, and grading as the teacher, how a teacher can grade using the rubric. Okay.
Okay.
That
Okay.
is for the next week. Okay, next week you present on this. Yeah, please go
Okay.
on.
So
Vishwa.
already it's already I have created here, but I will I mean demonstrate how an assignment activity looks like. So here under the topic you can see here add an activity or resource. Just click on that. So once clicking, a pop-up comes out here where you can see multiple activities. Under this column is displayed, tab is displayed as assignment. So while for the newcomers or the new faculties, there is an help icon where you can click and you can see what that particularly assignment is about. And for more information,
Yeah,
you can click on more help.
demonstrating this point is important.
Yeah, ma'am. And
As you
can
said, for the
click
new
on-
faculty members, they can learn more. Yeah, good.
Yeah,
Okay.
and here you can click on more help, which will navigate to complete assignment settings, documentation given by Moodle. And here you can click on
Show them. Click on
Okay.
click on that and show them. Click
Yeah.
on that and open it and show them what are the FAQs. If they scroll down on the footer,
So
what
here,
are
video is already available for you, that how to do that assignment and all. Here the activities, how it should be set up, how does this work, then the teacher point of view, and again more information on the settings and all you can see here. Explore here.
and scroll down to the footer and show them additional FAQs on assignment and all those. No?
Yeah.
Scroll down, additional links are there. No? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So these are the additional
Always show them
FAQs.
the assignment. Yes. All
Okay.
these.
Okay, ma'am.
For any module, Rajesh, you also remember, take them through this Moodle documentation and ask them to scroll down to the footer and what are the additional links available. So this is again an important point to remember while training. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Okay.
So again, we click on add.
No, that screen is not visible. No. Okay. Now it's visible. Okay.
Yes. Now it's visible, right?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, okay. So here in general, you need to mention.
And sorry.
Yeah, ma'am.
To interrupt here also, always ask them to click on expand all.
Expand
Okay.
all, right.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So here the first tab is displayed as general. So the assignment name, what assignment you are going to give. So the name must be, I mean the assignment that you will give to your students. Here I am taking as, what should I take? Okay.
One suggestion here to both of you. You can tell them ki if it is evaluation component EC1, ask them to start with that prefix EC1 or EC2, then give some title or topic or something. Okay.
Okay.
The evaluation component 1. So EC1.
Okay. Evaluation component.
EC1. Just simply EC1. Because what will happen? Sometimes we are getting mails asking us to generate reports, right? So
right,
with
ma'am.
this query, if you make it mandatory for them, standardize this practice EC1 or EC2 or something, then what will happen? It will be easy for the developer to generate reports. What are the assignments created by the faculty? So generally, we
Okay,
are getting from the campus.
okay.
We want
So
faculty
that's
activity.
the
I
case
think last
for
time also we standardized this. I recall I already said to them because we want to generate reports EC1 or something. If you go through my video, somewhere it is there already
that's why
standardized.
in those MCQs and all for each subject they are putting as CEC1, CEC2 so that it's easy to generate the reports.
For generating reports. So make it a habit for
Okay, okay.
them. Ask them to start
So
with
in the
EC1.
assignment
Say,
name,
then
you should
follow.
give a prefix. Suppose you are
Yes.
evaluating, so take it as EC1 and then put a hyphen and give the assignment name. I can take
Simply
as
assignment on so and so something assignment or
on
simply assignment on session 1, 2, 3, 4 something.
okay,
Topic.
session 1. So this is the
Because
topic.
they generally mix on a session. They generally they can take assignment 1 from generally from session 1. They don't take session 3 or something.
Okay, session 3 will put suppose because both the two assignment starting two topics will be on introduction. So that's why
Yeah,
we'll
might be,
take
might
as
be,
a
might be.
might be they can. So this is the name that you should give, and prefix is a must, so that it will be helpful for generating the reports. And description you can give or you may not, but it should be there that on what topic you are giving that assignment.
No, don't make it. Bhishma, don't make it optional for activities. For
Okay.
resources, this is an optional. Okay. For assessments and activities, make it mandatory. Ask them to provide clear instructions to your students. So here you can write.
Give, no, ma'am, activity instructions that.
Okay, this is I think no 3.11 we don't have that. 3.1 we have only the description box.
Yeah,
there
that's what
generally we ask
here
the faculty.
this one was not there. Activity instructions.
From 4.0 onwards, click on the help icon. That is not mandatory. Click on the help icon next to that activity instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
Activity instructions.
So here under activity instructions, what does this suggest is the actions you would like the student to complete for this assignment. So the instructions required for completion of this assignment must be given here. This is only shown on the submission page where a student edits and submits the assignment.
But what I suggest you is at least brief instructions. Ask them to provide in the description box.
Yeah.
Also. And detailed instructions under activity instructions, because this will not be as the help says, these instructions will not be visible until I click on this submission.
Correct, ma'am.
Right. So provide brief instructions. Provide brief instructions for the students. Yeah. Okay. So make it mandatory. Detailed instructions in the activity instructions. Okay. Rajeshwari, note down this point. This is important.
Yes,
Though we are on the 3.11 version only, if suppose we upgrade this during I don't think we'll upgrade it, but if you train them on 4.0 onwards, then make it mandatory that provide brief instructions to the students in the description box and detailed instructions in the activity
instructions.
Okay. Yeah.
Now this is additional files. What does this mean? Additional files is are used in assignments such as answer templates may be added. So here by default you can give a template to the students where they can provide the answers or submissions.
Yeah.
And
so in any use case scenario, can you give an example, Rajeshwari? Generally, in which type of assignments we provide templates?
Case analysis, case-led questions and all they can provide. Any research-based type of
Generally, what you said is right. Research-based. Say, for example, we can start with introduction statement of the problem. All these. So we expect students to use the same template and add their answer. Okay.
Right.
In that scenario, we can use. So elaborate on some scenarios. Give 1 or 2 scenarios. Faculty members may add on their own scenarios. This is how we would like to use the template in IBS Polk. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here we have another option that only show files during submission. What does this mean? Tick the box to only show files on the submission page. Otherwise, files will be shown on both the assignment and the submission pages. Next is
So which one do you prefer? I prefer shown both on assignment. So
Yeah,
no,
ma'am.
we need not tick that, right?
Yeah, that's what.
Got it, Rajeshwari?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to display it on both, no, not only during the submission.
Submissions, yeah.
Okay. Next
Okay.
is the availability, where we have 4 options. That is allow submissions from due date, cutoff date, remind me to grade by. Okay. So allow submissions from, you will the faculty decides a particular timeline where he needs to have 4 dates to kept in mind. That is allow submissions from. Then the due date. What is allow submissions means? If enabled, students will not be able to submit before that date. If you are giving
Yes.
the date as 9th, the student can't submit even on 8th
Eighth.
also. So from 9th onwards, that particular date will be enabled. I mean, from that day onwards, he can submit the assignments. And if
Yes.
disabled, students will be able to start submitting right away. So you should keep it as enable. If you disable and give the assignments, automatically the student can submit it anytime. Next is the
And
due
also,
date. Yeah.
Anana, you also show them it's a 24 hours time.
Okay. So here
Next
you can
time
see
type.
the date, and here the 24 hours time slot is available. So make sure that you are putting the right time, because sometimes you get confused. Okay, afternoon 2 o'clock you should start, but here you will put it as 2. So that will create a confusion. So here 24 hours times are there.
12.
Oh.
14.
I'll put it as
Pick some sensible time, right? Okay.
Yeah, 2 o'clock I have given. Once the session is
Don't give
over,
midnight. Yeah.
No.
because what we suggest faculty members is, as you said, once the session is over, they can display this on the screen and they can say
Right,
from
ma'am.
2 o'clock onwards you can submit. So okay, yeah.
Right. So this is the due date. What's the due date means? This is the I mean, submissions still allowed after this date also, but any assignment submitted after this date will be marked as late submissions. So set an assignment cutoff date to prevent submissions after a certain date. So if 9th December was today, we have started the allow submissions date. So due date we are giving it as 14th December.
Now
Same.
here, here one point you also need to mention that at the site level we have configured this for 1 week. You can change it. Okay, as per your schedule.
Right, ma'am.
And then show them how did you change the date. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
similar way you can show them. Tell them at the site level we have configured this for 1 week.
Okay.
You can follow your schedule accordingly. You can change the date and time. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is due date. And what does cutoff date means? If said the assignment is
No,
not,
due date make it midnight. Na time also. Due
Okay.
date midnight. So last 23 last 23:59, 11:59. If you make it 0,
Okay.
23:59. Yeah, 11:59.
Okay. So this is the due date. I mean, we should give that midnight time only, right, ma'am? 11:59.
Ah,
So,
because
yeah. So
you
from
people are
15th
always
onwards-
awake late night.
So from 15th onwards, you can't submit your assignments.
No. They still don't get confused with this. Unless you check that cutoff date, students can still submit the assignment. They can still submit.
Okay.
Once you
Right,
enable
sir.
the cutoff date and give extra 1 day or 2 days, then they will not be able to
Right,
submit.
Sorry.
Okay, click on the cutoff date.
Yeah.
Check the help icon next to the cutoff date.
Yes, ma'am.
Next to
If
the cutoff
said
date,
the
yeah.
assignment will not accept submissions after this date without an extension. Right? So if we put here as 16th December and again the same time as 11:59. So after this, you can't submit your assignments anymore.
Students can't, not
submit.
faculty.
Yeah, students can't
Yes.
submit, ma'am. That's what. And
Yeah.
this is the reminder date.
So generally, I show them this, and I always suggest them ki you uncheck this enable, so that students can submit, but the late submissions will be displayed in red text on the grade book. You note down this point, Rajeshwari. Both of you note down, Rajeshwari. Or Rajeshwari, you note down and later share these points with Bhishma.
I'm
Okay,
noting
what are
down,
the
ma'am.
points you are noting down? Okay.
Yes.
So
Can you
what
please repeat it
generally
again?
we show them? Yeah, we show them the cutoff date and click on the help icon next to the cutoff date. And what you can suggest them is you can disable this because the late submissions will be displayed in the red text on the grade book. So you need to make this point very clear to the faculty member. Then it's up to them. If they want to be so strict and enable, if they want to enable the cutoff date, it's up to them. Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have one suggestion here. Can I tell that one?
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, see, this is how we are training each ourselves in just, I mean, me, Rajeshwari, and you as well. So whatever inputs you are giving, once, I mean, the session is over, we can have a small minutes of meeting and we can share in that particular day mailer only so that we can know that what are the suggestions given by you and
True.
we can find that one.
True.
So if
Yeah, you can do
Rajeshwari is presenting, I will note down the points and make the minutes of meeting. And when I am presenting, she will do that.
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
minutes and also important points, and don't share it through email. Okay, on
Okay.
Google Drive,
Okay.
create
Yeah, an Excel sheet
create a
we'll
folder
create
and add the link and link to the sheet. We have an Excel sheet, no? Add the link to the okay.
Okay.
Create one field again, one column. So meeting minutes poll, okay, then add that link
right
in
Okay.
that column. Okay,
Okay.
for every training. Okay, good suggestion. Okay, yeah.
So a reminder date. So by when that reminder date should be given, the expected date that marking of the submissions should be completed by. So this date is used for prioritizing the dashboard notifications for the teachers. So it will be shown in description as well that by this date you have to I mean take the submissions and all.
Click on that help icon.
Yeah.
Next to
If disabled, the assignments description above will only become visible to
this is
students
for
on
the timeline.
timeline. Right, timeline sheets.
And grading, you said 14th assignment deadline is 14th. Then 15th onwards, you want to change that grade? Remind me
from
grade by
15th onwards.
Okay. So that faculty members will get notifications through their dashboard. Okay?
Yeah, in the morning because so many students are the late night also they will do. That's why I put the time like that. So morning 5 or 6 they can get the how many submissions are there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now comes the submission types. Okay. In the site level, I have configured for all the submission file types. We'll see and explore what are they. Okay. So submission types is online text and is file submissions. What does online text means? If enabled, students are able to type rich text directly into the editor field for their submission. I mean, they can type there itself and submit their assignments. And
I have a
yes, ma'am.
question from faculty side. Can you click on the help icon again? Click
Yeah,
on the help. Okay, what do you mean by rich text, Rajeshwari? This question is to Rajeshwari. If she doesn't answer, then you can answer. What do you mean by rich text, Rajeshwari? It's okay, Rajeshwari. If you don't have an answer also, it's okay. We all are learning.
I guess, ma'am, it is only the like brief answers.
Brief answer, huh?
Yeah.
No. So your answer for the same question, Bhishma. What do you mean by rich text?
I mean, it can rich text is formatting with some common formatting options, some bold or italics that are unavailable for the plain text.
Okay, so your answer is also wrong. Can you scroll up? Can you scroll up and scroll up and upper and right click on the course title and go to the course main page. Upper, full. Or else not required. Okay. From here also scroll down. So ideally scroll down to the activity instructions box. Okay. Description or activity instruction. So this box has instructions or description box. Instructions or description box. Scroll up to the instructions, activity instructions box,
Okay,
Bhishma.
ma'am, I got
Okay.
it. I got it.
You got it? You tell me now. What's your answer?
I think here under the toolbar we are selecting the like images type file or the document uploading the Word document, ma'am.
Not uploading Word document. You said partially your answer is correct. When we say enriching student experience with multimedia, so this toolbar allows students to share their video. Partially you are correct. Images and all,
Okay.
right?
Yeah. Yeah. While
Actually,
coming to
they
activity
use the
instructions,
text.
I thought I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Some clue. Okay, you got that clue. Right way only. You got that clue. And
Okay.
enriching student experience when we do multimedia. So this toolbar allow students to share their assignment in either text.
I mean, they can
Actually, they
explore
said
some visual features
instead
with
of
the
rich,
text.
audio, video, everything student
Okay.
can depending
Okay.
on the assignment instruction. So the
Okay.
actually the word should be rich content, not rich text. So that's the
No,
reason
I
you could not
expect that
catch
rich
that.
text means that it showed me bold italics
Uh,
that time.
uh,
So
but see, that is the difference between a basic level or advanced learners kind of
right.
thing. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Then. So that's what I wanted to share. Yeah, please
Okay.
continue.
So online text and next one is the file submissions. So if enabled, students are able to upload one or more files as their submissions.
Yeah, you also have one more instructions here, Rajeshri. Note it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
In which scenario we use the online text? Say, for example, if it is an exam or an assignment for business communication or personal effectiveness, all such, there you expect your students to record something and showcase their body language and their verbal expression and modulation, all these. Okay. In
Yes.
that scenario, we use this online text. So you should tell them when do
Okay.
we use online text, when do they, if it is a clearly a plain text kind of thing with some images or excel some analysis, then they can simply use this file submissions. Whereas in the courses like business communication and we have personal effective management, so you write down all these courses where faculty members expect their students to showcase their communication skills in multiple using multiple media. Okay. In that
Okay.
scenario, we use online text. Once they want to use online text, then they can uncheck the file submissions. 90% of the cases, we faculty members use the file submissions only because all these are like either Word document or a PPT or Excel file with analysis, all these. Okay, got my point?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, note down this point and you need to remember all these points.
Ma'am,
So
my
you need to.
question. I have a small doubt, ma'am. So online text is the
Mhm.
same thing and file submission is also same thing when coming to uploading the images or whatever it may be. But the
No,
only
file
scenario is
submission.
different.
No. File submissions generally we don't encourage students to upload an image because again we have server space constraint, right? We
Okay.
never encourage students to upload a video or an audio or an image. Only
Okay.
text based we ask them to submit. That is the
Okay.
reason 90%, 95%, 90% faculty members use this file submissions option. Got it?
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Whereas, where if you are a faculty member of the business communication course, you may expect your students to record using many mobile apps are available for recording their body language, their communication skills, and all. Right?
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
they publish it on YouTube and embed that using the YouTube. That can you scroll up to the activity instructions box, Bhishma? Show me this HTML editor. Add to toolbar. Okay,
Here,
so
Yeah.
here insert media in the second row you have that insert. No, not this one. Insert media, second row, third option. Insert media, second row, third option.
That is a
Right?
video.
this one. Insert, edit audio
Yeah.
video file.
Student will click on that. Student will click on that and insert the video file that they have already published on YouTube. So here what we are doing, we are not we are conserving the server space. Got my point?
Okay, ma'am.
So say for example, can you you click on that meeting on assignment module, or go to the assignment FAQ, Bhishma. Go to the assignment FAQ, next tab, second tab, Moodle documentation, Moodle documentation. Second tab on your browser.
Already open.
Second tab on your browser.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, already
Click on the
open.
video. Click on the go back to the previous page. Previous page. Previous page.
Yeah,
We
ma'am, it's reload.
we want the main page. Yeah.
Yeah,
Click on the video and get that video URL. Get the video URL from YouTube. Share. Click on share. Click on share.
yeah, ma'am.
Share. Yeah. Copy that URL. Where is that? Get that in a pop-up window, right?
Yeah. It's asking some accounts.
What's this semi account? Share. Okay. Scroll down and from the share link you get that URL. Share. Click
Yeah,
on the yeah, copy it. So just for a demo, how students can share their video in an assignment while submitting their first tab. Go to the first tab. Yeah, now place your cursor at the end. Place your cursor at the end first. Somewhere you need to place your cursor in the box. After mandatory or on the next line, go to the next line, then click on insert audio video file and paste it. So here you can also show them assignment - student name or EC1 assignment - student name. Okay. Insert media. So once a student saves his submission, then automatically it will be converted into a YouTube video. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the significance of online assignment. Instead of file submission, okay, you can remove it, Bhishma, now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Scroll down.
Okay. So next one is maximum number of file uploads. But if we are restricting them to file submissions, then we can put it as one only. By default, also it's one only. If files are enabled, each student will be able to upload up to this number of files for their submissions. And for restricting that server space so that it's not loaded, we will keep it as up to 2 MB.
Yes. And one more suggestion is sometimes faculty members say if it is a PPT, so 2 MB is not sufficient. In that scenario, what I advise them is note down this point also, Rajeshwari.
Yes, ma'am.
It's also an important point. We always encourage students to upload their PPT to Google Drive because all the students have IBS mail IDs, so they have 25 GB space. Upload and share the URL again in that scenario, online assignment submission only. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Not only submitting their rich content for business communication personal effectiveness management course, but also sometimes if their file size is more than 2 MB, then this is an important point for the faculty members. So they should provide instructions in the
varies from subject to subject, right? Like if we say that soft skills course, they will tell that record your
that's already over. That's already over. Soft skills. What my concern is space. 2 MB space. If faculty members say 2 MB space is not sufficient for a PPT to submit, then you suggest them ask all the students have IBS email IDs. So ask them to upload their PPT or create their PPT on Google Drive.
And share
and enable view permissions. Enable view permissions and share that in the online assignment submission box. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these all are some important. Otherwise, faculty members they start fighting 2 MB. How can 2 MB is sufficient for PPTs and all? So whatever they have for audio file, also ask them to submit to where can they submit their audio file? They can upload to Google Drive and share the link. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is one. Or they also have other music submission platforms like Jamindo and very other platforms, but that is unnecessary distraction for the students. So ask the students to upload to Google Drive. Or You can also suggest the faculty members to create a folder on Google Drive for this particular assignment if they have audio video assignments. Okay.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
they don't want their students to make their videos publicly on YouTube, this is another alternative. Some faculty members may ask, I don't want them to publish on YouTube. So what is the solution? Then ask them to create one folder on their Google Drive and allow permissions to students. Or that is also again another disadvantage is there. Say for example, if a faculty member submits, uploads the other students submit, students may copy from other submissions. That is also another. Instead, ask the students to upload to their Google Drive and share the link in the submission box. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next is the accepted file types. I mean, what are the list of file extensions? If the list, then file fields are required. So here, if you choose here, all types of files are, you can see. So it accepts all type of files, archive files, audio files. So
Hey, don't
if
tell
you-
them. Don't tell them audio. Don't tell them audio.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Hey, Bhishma, open an incognito window and private
One
window and let's see whether we can disable audio and video file types. Log in as a site administrator. Better we disable this file types. Okay, I think we have a feature over there. Your admin tab is not visible. Window is not visible to us, Bhishma.
ma'am,
We are
one
still
second,
on
one
your teacher window.
1 second.
Note down this point, Rajeshwari. Disabling audio and video files. Okay. That's also important. Even though I requested and instructed the faculty members, don't upload your videos, always publish on YouTube. I think Pune faculty member, one Bangalore faculty member, both of them uploaded their videos.
Ma'am, while instead of telling to the faculty, we can directly go do it in the site level. No?
That's what we are exploring.
Okay.
File submissions. Go to the file submissions. Bhishma, go back. You have another file submissions. Click on that. No, go back. Somewhere we have. Go back. Manage assignment submission plugins. Click on manage assignment submission plugins. Feedback, not feedback. Upper you have. Go back. Yeah, management assignment under submission plugins you have manage assignment submission plugin.
File
Let's see.
submissions is there, ma'am. File submissions.
Go click on the settings. Click on the settings of file
Yeah, ma'am.
submissions. So again, it's taking here only.
Yeah,
Then we
yeah.
need to configure
Yeah,
through
it's
code
taking
only.
time. Yeah, that's what.
Through code only. Note down this point, Rajeshwari. We need to
Noted.
explore. We need to explore somewhere. I think we have this option.
Note it down, ma'am. I'm also checking.
Okay, continue.
Ma'am, down it is there, ma'am. Accepted file types can be restricted by entering the list of extensions.
No,
Very-
that is
might
restricted
be.
by the list. I mean, what you don't want, we can just only put. If you put HTML, not image.
No. You cancel this. Here. So I think what Rajeshri said is right. Click on choose. I think you can. Somewhere it's there. That's what I remember. And enable only text-based spreadsheets and all. Okay. Scroll up. Starting with what? Scroll up.
Spreadsheet file, archive
We'll
files,
see what all the
audio
presentation
files,
presentation also you can enable. No audio. Document files. Presentation files.
Presentation files, image files
Presentation.
used on the web.
Not image files on the web, image files in the document.
You can enable on the web.
because these image files will be high, because .bmp these will give I mean
Directly downloaded files.
no, it will give high resolution
No,
files.
no. Image files, I think you need to track, check this because if it is handwritten, then they scan this, no.
Okay.
Enable image files. Okay. So,
This one
image files to be
badges.
optimized, such as badges. That also, such as badges also.
Yeah.
Upper. Image files. We have one more option. Upper. Yeah. Slowly scroll down. Image files. Yeah. Scroll up slowly. You are missing out something. Scroll
No,
up
ma'am,
as
3
badges slowly. No,
badges I have
some
done.
already done. Okay.
Images files to optimize, such as badges.
Okay, then good. Okay. What else we have?
Other files, sir.
Presentation files, spreadsheet files, streaming media
These are all
video
not
files,
counted.
web
Other
files.
files, only other files.
Video file supported by browser. What is that? Scroll up.
As you
MOV,
said, download, sharing the URL, I think, ma'am. YouTube URL.
Oh, that should be.
No, but here the file extension is .mp4 and
Yeah,
M4V
yeah,
means
MP4
it
it
will
is.
take a large file
Video.
space.
No. I think using the auto toolbar, they can embed that, right?
Yeah, ma'am. That is only the best
I don't think we
option.
need to.
For, yeah.
We
Video files
do.
we need not to give.
Okay, save changes, and now go to the teacher. Save changes.
Ma'am. Saved. I am going.
And go to your teacher interface, and now refresh and check. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Refresh this page. Now we'll see whether these are visible or restricted. Again, give a name. EC1 assignment, EC2 assignment, or something.
No, still it's coming. All file
Still
types.
it's coming. Bhishma, one thing I think so. Have you saved at the bottom also after saving these save changes? There are two savings in the administration level.
Show
1 second.
us that screen.
I think
Admin.
Ma'am. 1 second.
That is not visible.
1 second.
Rajesh says we have to.
Yeah, I have changed, ma'am. Changes saved. It's showing.
Okay.
Refresh the page. Saved us. Scroll down, and we scroll down. Save changes.
Yeah,
save
that
changes.
I have done, ma'am. That I have done.
Already done, huh?
Yeah, already done.
Because when it is showing here, see, you can see the changes after changing the file. Like it is showing, ma'am, here what all we have checked.
This one only, right?
Okay. So this must be
now you go to the teacher interface. Okay. Go to the teacher interface.
Yeah, ma'am.
See, we have two buttons, as Rajesh said. After choosing the file, you need to save, and for the settings, you need to save. That's it.
Yes,
We are done. Go to the teacher interface and show us that screen.
I'll refresh again.
See, this is what team learning. So everyone is complementary to the other. Don't think I should only learn. So someone is suggesting something. So that is good. Be a good team player.
Yeah, now it's done, ma'am.
Now we should get only.
No, it's showing, ma'am, already down. See.
All.
Yes,
no. Then
not all, ma'am. Only
not
that
all.
what we have checked.
What
Document
all we
files,
have done.
image
No.
files.
Click on choose. No, by default it is showing. Then you should train them by
choose,
clicking
it's
on
again.
choose.
No.
They can uncheck, but it's also showing all those, right?
Yes,
ma'am.
Why?
Maybe this
Okay,
is
both of you sit on this and explore.
Yeah.
Okay.
In local,
Later you
if
explore.
we do, it will display the same thing, ma'am, because it's a Nomio, no. So every setting it won't take. Hopefully, I guess.
Okay, might be.
Okay,
that
but anyway, sit on this. Both of you sit on this and explore. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Then
the feedback types, which is the important thing. Here we can see 4 types of feedback types are there, like feedback comments, annotate PDF, offline grading worksheet, and feedback files. So firstly, we will see what are feedback comments. What is this type of feedback that a teacher gives to a student? So if enabled, the marker can leave feedback comments for each submissions. So here we can see that that Atto toolbar allows recording of the audio and the video while grading, along with the option for, uploading supporting files as images also. So this is the feedback how the teacher can give to the student. Next one is that
feedback comments, only comments
yeah, ma'am. The
using that.
comments using that Atto toolbar, they can
Yeah.
give that recording the audio or video file.
Yes.
Next is that
But
yeah, ma'am.
demonstrate that, but again, don't encourage them to share a video file. Okay, just
Right,
tell
right.
them ki we have this
Yeah,
feature.
we have
Okay?
that feature, but basically they can do it this
Using
annotate
the
PDF or all these are much more easier than
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Okay. The second one is annotate PDF. What does that mean? If enabled, the teacher will be able to create annotated PDF files when marking assignment submissions. I mean, the student when uploads a particular file, there itself in that same file only, the teacher can, give that stampings or right marks or wrong marks there itself. And the annotating is done in the browser where no extra software is required. I will demonstrate how that it happens.
I think, do we have some limitations on submission, on which type of file submissions faculty members can do this?
PDF
Rajesh,
files.
do we have any such limitation?
PDF. Only PDF.
Only PDF.
Yeah, it's only PDF.
So I
That's why
think
it's
you should mention that.
yeah,
Okay.
we need to mention that. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. The
Sometimes what will
second one
happen, they call me and ask, Indra, I'm unable to get this sanitations and all. And I open. Then I said no. If it is a PDF file submission, then only you can use this feature.
Okay.
But
so it's
you need
limited
to
PDF
enable
only,
that.
right?
Yeah, ghost script should be lifted. But this is for site administrators. That path you should specify, Bhishma. Then only it will allow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. I think on Nomio we don't have that problem because Nomio people they do that.
Yeah.
So ghost script adding that path and all. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Next one is the offline grading worksheet. So what does that mean? It is useful for downloading the grading list and edit it in a program such as MS Excel. I mean, it enables the teachers to download the entire worksheet of the students' grades and mark the assignments. So, and it confirms the changes. And again, that through offline mode, you can grade your the particular worksheet or the assignment.
Okay.
And you can transfer it back to the grade book.
I upload.
Yeah. And the fourth one is the feedback files. Okay, what does that mean? If enabled, the teacher will be able to upload files with feedbacks when marking assignment submissions. So these files may be, but are not limited to, and marked up to student submissions, documents with comments or spoken audio or video feedbacks. So this is the file feedback and feedback types, 4 types. And next is comment inline. What does this mean? If enabled, the submission text will be copied into a feedback comment field during grading.
Can you scroll up? Can you scroll up?
Yeah, ma'am.
Scroll up to the assignment submissions.
Assignment submissions.
No. Online submissions. Check this online submissions. Online text.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so you need to tell them ki enable that. So word limit. What is the word limit? That is also
if
important.
online
Okay?
text submissions are available, this is the maximum number of words that each student will be allowed to submit.
Otherwise, otherwise student may write 1,000, 2,000 words and all. This is
so we will restrict to up to 500 words or 200 words.
Now you can disable online text. So we forgot this feature. Okay.
So in this we have another one, maximum number of uploaded files, that is
Yes.
one only. Right.
Okay. Now
then comment
in line.
Yeah. If enabled, the submission text will be copied into feedback comment field during grading, making it easier to comment inline only. I mean, using different color or to edit the original text. So if you select yes, the commenting inline in that particular assignment can be done. Any questions, Rajeshwari?
No, no. It's
Then we will come to submission settings. So what is all require students to click to the submit button.
yes.
Okay, what does that mean? If enabled, students will have to click a submit button to declare their submission as final, and it is mandatory, or else his submission won't be considered for grading. So this allows the students to keep a draft version of the submission on the system itself. If this setting is changed from no to yes, after students will have already submitted, those submissions will be recorded as final. If you put as no, then after the submission also that will be selected as final submissions only. But here we will click it as yes, so that it will be a check mark for the student to click on the submit button after he or she finishes his assignment.
Okay.
Then require that students accept the submission statement. A statement will be generated where it's like that everyone can see notifications of the submissions in the the statement submission statement is that
Viewed by
each student must accept in order to submit their work. Okay, so if enabled, students will have to click a submit button to declare their submission. This is okay. Require
Downward.
that students accept the submission statement for all submissions to their assignment. And additional attempts. What it is? Additional attempts are given. This setting determines whether a student can make additional attempts at the assignment. For each attempt, the grade and the feedback are saved and can be viewed by the teacher and the student. So the available options are never means only one attempt is possible. Manually, additional attempts may be allowed by the teacher. In which scenario? In some cases of medical issues or some general or some generic issues by the students, then with the permission document, he or she, the student can approach to the teacher saying that, yeah, for this reason I couldn't submit my assignment, so please allow me time. So here manually the teacher can give one more extra attempt for clearing the assignments. And automatically until pass. I mean, if you put a grade, for suppose there are 100 marks for the 10 marks for that question, and you have set a grade point for passing as 8 marks. So until and unless you receive that one or the student receives it, the student is not allowed to submit the assignments. So that is where that gradebook assignment will be displayed. So generally we give it as never. So if any genuine case is coming or arriving, we can give it as manually.
So one thing, Bhishma, manually you said that we can just extend the number of attempts, but it is not done for all, no? Because
No, it's not
only
done
one
for all.
student is.
Yeah, for one student only. That is the
Okay.
case where that restrictions is there. No, we can do that one there.
Okay.
No. Scroll up. What was your question, Rajeshwari?
Ma'am,
No, if we put
manually,
manually, then it will be displayed for each and every student's right, no, ma'am.
like
Mhm,
when it is selected as manually, Bhishma told that we can extend the attempts by 1 or 2, ma'am. So when it is extended by 1 or 2, then it will be allowable for all the students, no, ma'am?
No. See, for example, when you change the setting to manually,
Okay.
I can go to the grade book grader, and under the attempt settings, allow another attempt I can make for an individual student.
That is what. I want that. Okay. Then.
Okay.
Okay. There I can change. Okay.
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 If you
So by
pick
default,
the last one, that is automatically. So not for all. So you are granting extension. I mean, second attempt for only for chosen students.
Yeah.
Yes.
Say for
yes, that is what
for
I-
example, student has already submitted. I have already submitted as student. So I forgot to write something or add something to that immediately after my exam, and if I come to you, not after getting marks and all. Okay.
Okay.
Immediately after the exam, I come to you because you are my faculty member. I request, I forgot to do something. Can I have one more attempt? Then in that scenario, if you think it's a genuine case, then you can grant this. I mean, make enable the second attempt for that particular student or students in genuine
Okay.
cases. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
in that scenario, we can use automatically until pass means you need to space. Okay. Continue, Bhishma.
Yes, ma'am.
Automatically until
you
pass means
You until and
the
unless you
scenario,
receive a grade mark, you
if
can
the
attempt
assignment
it.
is for
under activity completion, you get that grade passing some
right,
percent or marks something you get.
right,
No, so
Yes.
student will get multiple attempts.
so
But generally for
it's
assignments, we don't use this either the first one or the second one.
yeah,
Okay.
so
Automatically
basically what
until
I
pass,
never
we don't.
only yeah.
Uh,
And group submission settings, if the student has given a group activity, then the student submit it in groups. Okay, so group
so
submission
generally, how do I
take?
take? Sorry to interrupt. So
Yeah, ma'am.
you both of you remember this point.
Yes, ma'am.
Generally, how do I train the faculty members? If you watch my videos again, first I'll make them configure an assignment and submit as a student and grade using either manually or using a rubric, downloading the Excel sheet, all these. Okay. Once we have done this, then as an advanced feature, I'll demonstrate how to create groups using the dummy, because at the site level we have dummy students, right? Student 1 to 100 or something.
Right.
So I make them enroll them as their dummy students in the course page and group them, then assign the group assignment. Got my point?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
So as an advanced feature, sometimes faculty members may or may not ask, but some faculty members say we have group assignments. So how do I design that? Okay, so in that scenario, first show them how to create an assignment, and on Moodle we have that duplicate an activity feature. You have that, right?
Yeah,
If
Yes,
you
ma'am.
open that edit menu of any activity or resource, duplicate
ma'am.
feature. So that's how I showed them. So you duplicate that and rename it as group assignment and show them how to configure again all these. Take them to the settings page and show them how to enable this group feature and all. Okay.
Okay.
Then. Yeah.
So next we come to notifications. Then notify grader about the submissions. If you click on yes, what you get? If enabled, graders, usually the teachers, receive a message whenever a student submits an assignment, early,
Yes.
on time, or late. So this is an mandatory one for the teachers.
No,
They have
no,
to- ma'am.
no, don't make it mandatory. They said no, we want to opt out of this. They never want, because
Why, ma'am? The teacher
we
should
know
know
when
that
is the
who's
deadline.
okay.
No. Whenever this assignment is over, they log in and they click on this.
Think so we can
So
like
because for
depend upon
I
the
thought
cutoff
this is a
date, ma'am.
mandatory one because
no, for
teachers should
every
know that.
submission, for every submission they used to get this email notifications. Then they realize we don't want this, because we know we need to evaluate their performance. So okay, but show them this feature. This feature is available. Show them this feature is available. Okay?
So basically, what they will do is they will select as no only. End of the cutoff date, they will take maximum number of attempts and they will do the grading.
Okay. You can suggest them to notify a grader about late submissions.
Late submissions
So
one.
that again. See, don't force any option to okay. You show them these are all the 2 options, 3 options available.
Yeah.
You take a call on this. Okay.
And default for notify.
This don't change. This is yes. So whenever a student will get only for one submission, they get a single mail, not multiple mails, right? Okay. I think these are we have
these are
configured at the site level. What else we have?
Activity completion.
Group mode again. You both of you sit. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. No. Scroll up. Scroll up to common module settings. Yeah. So both of you sit on these groups and group settings and all. Okay. Work on this for the next week workshop. I mean, next week presentation, Rajesh. Though I asked Rajesh, both of you should sit together, because this is a useful feature for all the faculty members. In IBS, we have this group assignment submission.
Yesterday, for her system, I told this guy, Sandeep, to upgrade to the newer version because it is very slow and it was having Windows 7, where she was unable to download Moodle locally. And yesterday they gave.
Now you got it upgraded, Rajesh?
With 16 GB, they have given very advanced version.
Good.
So and yesterday only I helped her for installing Moodle 4.1 stable version. And
good.
Now we are working on the new plugins as we have you
Good,
have
good,
told, no,
good.
that adaptive quiz and all. So keep
Good,
on
good,
exploring
good.
with the newer version, and much
Okay,
more
good,
advanced
good.
features are there. So wherever we are getting doubt, we are sitting together and
Yeah,
rectifying.
yeah. Sit together and discuss and try to
Because what
think.
I don't know, she is explaining. What she doesn't know, I am
Yeah,
explaining.
true, true,
So
true.
it's
So that's
going.
what I mean by the teamwork. So we should prove. We have been proving it as a teamwork only throughout almost since 2012. So we never. I never taken any credit. It's my own work. Okay. So as a team from the e-learning department. Okay. So we together collectively we are doing for the benefit of the students and for the benefit of the faculty members. Have this in mind. Okay. That recognition is should always be there for the e-learning department. I rarely see these kind of teamwork in other departments. So again, it's not our headache. We should not comment on other departments. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
their departmental working culture. So I'm not supposed to comment. Sorry, I'm withdrawing my comments. Okay.
It's
Okay.
okay, ma'am. No problem.
Okay. So,
So
but I expect our department should always be considered as a team. This department has this teamwork culture. That's it. Okay. You go on. And
ma'am, in
together you
tomorrow's
work on this group mode. Okay. For assignments and forums also. Okay.
So in tomorrow
Okay.
document, which we will give it to sir, we can mention there also that peer assessment and trainings we are doing in
Good, good, good.
between us.
Already submitted, huh?
No, no,
No,
sir
ma'am.
has
No,
given
ma'am.
us 3 days time to write
Ha.
and give.
Good, good, good. You mentioned this because this culture is required in this, across IBS.
Yeah,
But fortunately, we have this because we have open-minded. So we are open to sharing with our team members, not only with our team members, those who require this kind of support. IPSAT
yeah,
mock
yeah.
test on also we have been providing. So don't forget to mention that IPSAT ka to we are providing support and we trained the team members also. Okay, marketing team staff.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, don't forget to mention that.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, good. Okay.
Okay. So this is the group mode that we'll see, and restrict
You need to
access.
explore further. That's an advanced
Yeah.
feature. Yeah.
Then this is the restrictions where it's I mean helpful
Activity
for if you
completion.
give some group submissions.
No, not only for a group submission. Don't get confused. It's only for group submission. Click on that add restriction.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
even
Say
for
for
the
example,
user
based on my
profiles.
previous active. No, not user profile. Wait. Have patience. So starting with activity completion, if you click on that, say for example, you have already assigned one quiz to me as a
Okay.
student.
Yes.
But I didn't complete. So you want to enforce that once I completed that only, then only I can access this assignment. This is really a useful feature to be demonstrated to the faculty members. Click on this activity completion.
Okay.
Okay, choose. Now pull down the choose. Pull down the choose first.
Previous activity with
Just
completion.
below the assignment, previous activity with the completion. So something. Click on that. You have now previous activity, that is assignment setting. You already created one assignment.
No, this
Stepwise
is the
assignment.
first one. Ma'am, this is a kind of that
No.
branching
Already one
scenario where
assignment
we
is
have
there.
to give multiple assignments, then check one by one.
No. You already created one assignment with the title assignment setting stepwise.
Yes, ma'am. That I have created.
No. Can you scroll up and right click on the course page and open in a new tab? Scroll up, or from the navigation block also you can go to right click on the course title and go to. Okay. No, where is your course? Scroll up. What's your course title? Scroll up fully. Full.
Assignment settings, ma'am.
Assignment
Course
settings,
itself
ma'am.
is assignment settings.
Oh, okay. Then right click on this and so you already have under general one assignment settings activity is already created.
Yes,
It's showing in the
Yes,
navigation
ma'am.
block.
Yeah, ma'am.
So that's the reason under restrict access it's showing you already have. So you expect your students to submit that first, then come to this assignment. Got
Okay.
my point? Scroll
Yeah,
down to the restrict access. Okay, you can pick up anything. Say for example, if you have a book module you created with the videos and your PPT and embedded some HYP and all. So you expect your students to complete that book module, then take this. Okay,
Right.
click on that assignment settings stepwise. Click on the second one.
Same like Moodle, ma'am. Now what we are
Must be marked complete. So whatever activity completion settings you configured for that assignment are applicable here. Can you scroll up this must be marked complete? Open that second box. See, with pass grade, if you have say specified, say for quiz, if it is a quiz, then you have specified student should get a pass grade. Then multiple attempts you can give to that practice quiz. Once the student gets pass grade, then only the student will get access to your assignment. So this is an important feature to demonstrate. Though you have groups or may not have groups, but this is an important. How do they restrict access? This is what we call, though some people consider it as enforcement, I consider it as reinforcement of learning. So again, if you talk about learning theories and pedagogically sound courses, this is useful. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Note down this point, Rajeshri. This faculty member should be trained on this. Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am, long back you have given one plugin to explore, like student re-engagement plugin.
Adaptive quiz,
No, student re-engagement.
Student re-engagement.
Yeah, so in that plugin
that's
it
also
shows
useful.
that which particular assignment the student should go on and receive that grade in order to jump to next assignment. So that one
so that is so all these features are important for reinforcing student learning. Have you added all these plugins that you have explored to this Excel sheet? No, add that adaptive quiz. You said you have already explored. So
okay.
What are the useful resources?
Excel sheet I have not added. I'll add.
No, everyone should add. So if you test all these plugins locally, also Rajesh, you also create one plugin sheet, Bhishma. In that you add your name and when date and time. When did you test it? And how it is useful in IBS case. Again, always there should be IBS use case scenario should be added, and useful YouTube videos and Moodle documentation. Don't forget to add all those resources. Okay. Good. Yeah. So you expect your students to complete with pass grade, then change that.
No, again, then, we have to give that passing grades.
That's the reason. RNs simply
must be
marked complete. Okay. You can add multiple restrictions. So later we explore all these. What all the restrictions? Okay. In addition to groups, we also have other restrictions. No. Retain. Why do you want to do it? Okay. So student 1 didn't submit an assignment for this or what?
No, right now we are creating a fresh one, right? Already that previous one I have again changed the dates so that student point of view I will show.
Okay. Remove. But so each one of you explore this and submit as a student and check, okay, whether it's accessible or not. Okay. Rajeshri, you also work on this.
Okay.
So as of now, I'm putting as none only. Then we'll see.
Okay.
Then activity completion. When we give that show activity as complete when the conditions are met means, then here we have to give again the passing grade and all those things. That a student must receiving a passing grade. If enabled, a student is considered complete when the student receives a passing grade. Student must receive a grade to complete the activity. So if pass grade for the activity is set, then pass and fail icons are displayed in the activity completion report.
Check this. That is important. No, this is an assignment. You need to enable. Once you enable, then only automatically the next feature will be enabled, activated. Student must receive a pass grade. If you don't check that, then it will not be visible. Okay. Check this also.
So expect completed on. What does it mean?
We have already given the date, na?
Yeah, date when the activity is expected to be completed, and when the date is upcoming, the activity is listed in the timeline block on the dashboard.
So what is the advantage of what is the advantage of enabling this, Rajeshwari? You said we have already given the date. So why do we need this again? Expect completed.
Just sending a reminder. Like
click on that.
Reminding the students.
Click on this help icon. Click on the help icon. It says click on the help icon.
Specifies the date when the activity is expected to be completed. So
we on the dashboard it will be visible to the
students. Yes, reminding like
reminder. And one more advantage we have for this is we started exploring competency based courses, developing courses and certificate courses, right? See, in the near future you may need to work, or I may or may not be there, but both of you may need to work on these certification courses. Okay. For that, So say for example, it's only sometimes a 1 week program in partnership with the industry. Generally, our campuses do that, Python or something. Okay, then it's a 1 week program or 2 weeks program, something like that they offer. So in that scenario, always you should enable this so that automatically a certificate will be issued the students. Got my point?
Okay.
I
One
mean, like
is
right now as
One
IBS
is
Mumbai,
it's a reminder, as Rajeshri said, on the timeline block on the dashboard.
right,
Second one, for the certification courses that campuses offer for the students 1 week or 2 weeks, sometimes 3 days also. And third one is for competency based courses also.
Okay.
I mean,
So,
like IBS Mumbai is currently offering that Power BI and Tableau course. So
the course is already started, huh?
yeah,
Yes, ma'am. Already
today is
today
the
it will
third
be
day.
finished.
You both of you got that link, huh? URL?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Working out also.
Okay,
3
when
to
did
4.
that start? Oh,
Monday,
Fifth,
ma'am.
fifth, ma'am.
Monday.
Fifth,
Monday.
seventh, and today is 10th.
Every
so it's
alternate day.
Alternative
no,
day.
it's a live streamed one, huh?
Yes,
Live
ma'am.
stream,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We have that URLs.
Link.
You have all those YouTube you have all those YouTube live stream URLs with you,
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
or for all the days?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
for all the days.
Okay, okay. So maintain a record, okay, and create an Excel sheet under the training. We have that right now. Create a
Hmm.
sheet
Okay.
under that and add that. Rename that sheet and add those day wise YouTube URLs, because I discussed with this Shekhar sir. Generally, IBS Mumbai they live stream these so that we can develop it as a course so that any campus students can watch the videos, right?
Okay,
Right.
ma'am. Okay, okay. Right.
Okay, so add one more sheet, either Rajeshri or Bhishma. Add one more two more sheets to be added today. One is for plugins, and the other one is for
Courses.
this professional development programs or skill development courses. Okay,
Okay.
and add this course first. Tableau. You are working on Tableau
Yes, ma'am.
or
Yeah, ma'am.
Power BI
No,
also.
Power BI will
Tableau.
be next week, I guess.
Next week.
session.
Okay. So add all those sessions with titles and who is the expert with name and all those and YouTube
Abhishek.
URLs. Good. Okay, you are maintaining all the YouTube URLs. Good.
Yeah.
Okay then.
So tags and competencies, the last one. So for assignments, we
Actually, so what I suggest you is explore both of you together again. Explore on tags. It's an underutilized feature by many institutions across the globe. It has got lots of advantages, even for quiz and all those. Say, for example, personalized learning paths. Say for personalized learning paths, you can tag this one as if you watch my training videos, I ask the faculty members to classify level 1 video, level 2 video. Say for example, I'm a beginner. Okay. So this is really useful. Both of you explore this. If you want to create personalized learning courses or personalized learning paths for students, then using these tags, we can create that. But though it's an advanced, but note it down and have this in mind. Okay. So personalized learning, individual learning will be the future. Competency based learning will be the future in India, not only in India, across the globe. Still we are following your outcome based education. You also need to work on outcome based education, because AACT and UGC, all those are enforcing that like anything. And as per the national education policy, we need to transform our courses into competency based education, starting from the school education. So learn all this. Okay. So invest your time more on learning and development. That is my sincere advice to all of you, both of you. Okay.
Okay.
So competencies, so Bhishma knows competencies.
course
Have you
competencies.
defined any competencies on this
No,
course
ma'am, for
or
this
not?
assignments nothing required. So
For this course, you don't have any competence. Okay then.
last option is send content change notification.
What is that? Upon activity completion, what is that?
So attach
again,
evidence, send for review, and complete the
evidence
competency.
and all. Complete. Okay. This is really a useful feature and
Yes,
useful
ma'am.
for India. Okay then. Okay.
And last one
Then
is send
save and
content change
display.
notification.
Yeah. I have one more suggestion. Scroll up. Scroll up to grading, advanced grading. Where is that advanced grading rubric? Wait. Yeah. Grading method, you have, can you pull down? We have this one, three options. Okay. So for rubric, next week, Rajeshwari,
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
need to work on this
Same
rubric.
that.
Okay.
Okay,
Both of
ma'am.
you work on this, but I
Okay.
expect Rajeshwari to present. I'll share that now itself. I'll share that where we
Oh,
have all
yes.
those rubrics.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. So you continue, Bhishma. In the
Yeah, ma'am.
meanwhile, I'll get that.
So the last
Yeah.
last point is send content change notification. What does that mean? Tick the box to notify course participants about this new or changed activity or resource. Only users who can access the activity or resource will receive this notification.
Any question on that, Rajeshwari? Send content change notification. I think it's a new feature.
Yeah, ma'am.
Any
So if
any question on
enabled,
that?
the
So you
student
should
will
have a question,
receive.
Rajeshwari. You should have a question, Rajeshwari.
No, ma'am. Can you
Always you
please
need to
get
confuse
once again?
your team member. You always need to confuse
First of
your
all, I
team
didn't
member.
get it, ma'am. First of all, two questions. Actually, can you please repeat it once, Bhishma?
So send content change notification means if it is checked, okay, then this
Okay.
notifies the course participants about this new or changed activity or resource. For suppose if a teacher is giving a new assignment, then
Okay.
I mean once this is checked, so there is a change in the content because new assignment a teacher is giving, so it will notify the participants that yeah, particular assignment
Okay.
has been added to your course, so that you can I mean you will receive that notification.
Okay.
That's it, right, ma'am?
Okay.
Am I correct?
Mm, I think there is a confusion. This is 4.0 feature, right?
Ma'am, 4.0 feature.
See, is it limited to only to this activity? Actually,
No, it's
I
coming
think
for
the
each and
textbook
every. It's coming to each and every. Even for quiz also, it is displaying that send content change notification.
no. My question was,
Okay.
say for example, if you this is applicable to tick the box to notify course participant for this new or changed activity or resource, only users who can access this. So this is only applicable to this only this
Only this course
assignment
participants.
activity,
Yeah,
not
ma'am.
okay. So that is the question I expected from Rajeshwari. So whether this is applicable, because the help text is somewhat ambiguous. That is the reason. So you should tell them where if you make changes to this assignment or to this activity or resource, then only student will be notified. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
that was
So
my
I mean,
point.
in the
Got
this
it,
similar.
Rajeshwari?
Okay, ma'am. Like,
So
yeah, I'll just tell an example. If for an assignment activity we have changed the like content, but whereas coming to the quiz activity we have not changed any content. That means only for this activity the notification will be changed. Am I right? I understood in that way.
no, in scenario is suppose there we had this thing, no, that cutoff date and due date.
Yes,
This one
yes, yes.
reminding me of grade date, and if in some scenario there is some natural calamity or some xyz happened and you have
Okay.
changed here some dates, so that
Yes,
will be
extended.
notified when once you are
Yeah, partially you are right, Bhishma. Not only dates. Say for example, I forgot to attach a template. Okay.
okay, right.
So I attach a template and add these instructions in the instructions box, asking students download the template and work on the template. Any modification to
Any
this?
slight
Okay, what
modification
all
in the
amendments?
assignments we will get there.
Yeah.
The student gets notified.
Student will be notified. Okay.
Only to
So
the only
yeah.
yeah
Sorry. Go on, Raj.
only to the activity what we have modified the
Yeah.
notifications will be
So
done.
this is applicable to this assignment activity, because since we are working, if you are working
Okay.
on this quiz, then if you check this, then whatever quiz dates and all, whatever
Yes,
you make modifications, student will get notified.
then
Okay.
only you will get the okay, ma'am. That is what I was asking. Okay.
Okay. I am sharing this OER rubrics through mail. I also shared in the chat space. Okay.
Chat. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
okay. Then we save and return to the course. And
Add the as Rajeshri, add this rubric to the Excel sheet also under resources useful for assignment. Okay. Group
Okay.
assignments and
So
rubrics.
here
Okay.
we are getting a, notification that this activity does not have a valid grade to pass set. That's why this red color is coming. So we'll just uncheck it. As
You
of now
didn't
and-
specify no. Scroll up and show me. You didn't specify the grades. Go to the grade. Expand grade. Expand grade. Expand grade or expand. So
yeah.
this you
Okay,
here you didn't.
will
No.
give us
Make it 10 points, and in under grade to pass you add 20 over there. Under grade to pass you add 10. Under grade to pass add 10. Now you can check that box under activity completion. Check that box. Now save. Now it will not throw us an error. Save
it's
and
saved.
display.
Saved, ma'am.
Done na? Okay.
Yeah. So here you can see that what the student must do, he must view, make a submission, receive a grade, and receive a passing grade.
Oh, so these
And
are all the
return to
completion criteria you should
completion
explain
criteria. Yes, ma'am.
to the faculty members.
Okay.
Say for example, if I want to add some more criteria or change, then how can I do that? Immediate question from the faculty members. If I want to
Then-
edit this, okay,
Then
go to the
you-
edit
you
settings.
have,
Yeah.
here what is that?
Okay.
said?
Edit settings.
Edit settings. So
Edit
this
menu.
three
Edit
dots,
menu.
there,
So
edit
note,
menu.
write down this terminology also. Edit menu. Go to the edit menu if you want to
Edit
make reconfigure your assignment. Okay.
Yeah. So you
Oh.
you can have your edit settings, move, and as you mentioned for group activity.
No,
if
that
you
for
want to
group settings,
demonstrate-
Rajeshri will demonstrate
Okay.
next week.
The
Okay.
duplication of this assignment for demonstrating how group submissions will be done, we can replicate the same one, right?
Group for group settings
For group
for
settings.
groups. We are not. You are not demonstrating group, right?
Yeah. I'm not demonstrating,
then
but I'm
the-
saying from here only we can duplicate the assignment.
Yeah.
and
From
display.
here only. From here only.
Yeah.
Yeah. From here only. From here only.
Then here assign roles.
Okay then.
We want to assign.
This
any
is
role.
useful. Say for example, if you have a PhD scholar and you want to assign the grader role,
Right.
first for that you need to add that to assign that
Enroll
role in the
the
course
student,
page itself.
right.
Non-editing. Yeah.
Non-editing teacher.
So
and
that way.
from here,
But generally
once
for
you click,
assignments
you
they
can-
don't do.
Yeah.
You can show this while creating the forum. You can assign the non-editing teacher role to a student who can moderate the forums. If any unwanted or undesired posts are made, they can delete that. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am.
Moderating a discussion forum. For generally for assignments, faculty members they don't give assign non-editing teacher role as a grader. Okay.
So,
So-
Rajeshwari, as per teacher's point of view, the assignment settings, is that okay with you? Or you have any questions still now?
Is everything clear?
This is the teacher point of view, how the teacher is submitting creating the assignment and
Configuring all the
configuring
settings.
all the settings.
Rajesh, your feedback. Why? What happened to Rajesh?
Okay, I unmuted. Okay, ma'am. It's clear.
You
ma'am.
didn't unmute. Clear, no doubts, huh?
No doubts, ma'am.
Now
Okay,
I'm
so-
logging it out and I'm taking you to student perspective, how the assignment is displayed to him.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You need not log out. You can take an incognito window or private screen.
I'm doing the same thing, ma'am, because
Because sometimes what will happen, so we forget some settings and all. So
yes. I'm doing
then
the
we
same
can
thing.
take.
I'll retain as a teacher and I'll do it.
So always have both the logins available to you during the training program. Yeah, now go to the incognito window, log out of as the administrator and log in. That's not visible to us. Your second way.
Is it visible now?
No.
Yeah, we are still on the first.
Is it visible now?
Yes.
No. Now
Yes,
it's visible. Yeah, now I got it.
So
Nice.
here you can see in the
Yeah.
dashboard. So there is a assignment from 10th it is starting, and another one is from 16th is starting.
So no, you need to take them to this interface also, and you need to tell them we set that assignment start date from 16th
Yeah.
December. Due date. What is this? Due date.
Assignment, yeah, due date is 16th December. I mean, this is open because from 9th onwards we have given the date, right?
ma'am, due date, it is cutoff date,
Cutoff
not due
date.
date. Yeah.
Sorry, cutoff date, because 9th we have started the submissions that they can
So
start submissions from
show
9th
me
itself.
that cutoff date or
No,
wait, no, we should have clarity. Show me the teacher
ma'am,
interface again. Go to that and
14th
show
is
me.
the due date, ma'am. Cutoff date is 16th, ma'am.
So you should tell them. So 16th is the cutoff date. Okay. But it should not be visible to the students, right? Otherwise, student will relax. Edit that particular settings. Edit the particular assignment settings. Let's see how can we okay, edit settings.
Yeah.
So due date it was displaying.
Due date only,
16th
Rajeshwari.
Due
Okay,
date.
due
Okay.
date only. Okay. So no issue. So also
Yeah.
that's what I was surprised. Cutoff date ragurdu kada. How come we have cutoff date? So due date. So you need to explain. Now go to the student interface. Explain to the faculty member. Say, so this is the due date we have set while configuring the assignment. Okay. Always use this Moodle terminology. Configuring the assignment and all. Okay.
Okay.
So now the student clicks on the assignment. Okay, so he can see the criteria what he needs to fulfill this assignment. That is, one is view, then make a submission, receive a grade, and receive a passing grade.
Can't we make all these visible on the course page, Bishna? I think we have an option. Don't we have? Prior to clicking on the assignment, view to do similar way. Go to the faculty interface. There it's visible on the course page itself, right? Show me the teacher interface.
Yeah.
But here it is not showing. No, after I as a student click on this, then it's visible to me. No, go back to the course page. Save this and go back to the course page.
No, ma'am, it is showing, I think,
Scroll
Vishnu have showed.
down and save. Scroll down and save.
See,
I want to
make a
see the student.
submission.
Similar. See, right
Make
side
a-
you have this view, make
Yes, ma'am.
submission, receive a grade, and receive a pass grade. Can you
Yes,
show me
ma'am.
this on the student interface? Is it visible? Show me the student interface, Bhishma. I don't think after clicking only I'm getting this. I think some student interface. Okay.
Yeah, student interface.
So where are all those Rajeshwari?
Go to my courses. One second. Assignment settings.
See,
This
some
is a
teacher is.
student.
Yeah, it's showing here, ma'am. To do
Yeah,
view,
yes.
And
to
then
view-
earlier we didn't get that, right? We didn't refresh the page, or what?
No, we were getting, once we click on that assignment, on the
Then
top
we
bar
have-
it will be displaying.
No.
the same-
Earlier it didn't show us on the course
No, it showed,
page
ma'am.
itself, right?
showed,
That
it
was
showed.
my question.
In
No.
the dashboard, it won't be showing, ma'am. We were on the dashboard.
Not in the dashboard. Scroll up. No. Oh, so you took us to the dashboard.
Dashboard.
Okay,
Once the
so
student
then
gets
you
logged
need
in,
you need
it will be in the
so
dashboard.
you need to tell them on the dashboard you get the deadlines, but you are expected to take them during your class. You are expected to take them to the course page itself,
Course page,
so
yes.
that they'll be able to see all these activity completion
Restrictions.
criteria. But you can also take them through their dashboard from where directly they can go. Ideally, we expect the faculty members to take the students through the course page only, Bhishma.
Okay.
Got my point?
Okay.
Click on the assignment settings course page. Assignment settings.
Down.
Course page. Scroll down. You have that.
Yellow.
Scroll down. Click on the assignment
So one
setting.
by one, I was explaining that dashboard, what the
No.
students will
And
see.
what are the instructions to be imparted to the faculty members? I am telling.
Okay.
Once you log in as a student, though by default it shows the activities to be submitted, the preferred way is take them through the course page first,
Course page.
okay, and show them the activity completion criteria. Got my point?
Okay.
Okay.
So when the student
Once the students are well versed with this features and all, then by any mode they can access this. Okay, click
So-
on the course page first.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm just explaining what all the student will see and what the faculty needs to do. They can explain that.
Okay.
So once the student is logged in, he will be taken to a dashboard where he can see what are the courses and what are the due dates for that particular assignments and all. Then he will.
No. You use the term on the timeline block.
Okay.
Use this term terminology
this,
on the
timeline
timeline block. And student also has the options of filtering this next 7 days. Show them that also. Okay, these all are
Student has the
okay.
option
Next
that,
30 days overdue, all and all. Yeah, all the filters are available. Okay.
You can see. Then the recently accessed.
And also
courses.
they can search activity by assignment, quiz, and all these are. Search box is also there, right side.
It's there.
Yeah, you tell them all these.
Okay.
Okay.
Recently accessed courses. Yeah, they can.
And a
see
recently accessed the block.
Yeah.
We so we'll get this. Okay.
this. Then the calendar is there where on the particular date what assignments are there. They can see here at a glance. Okay. This much on the students. So now for a better understanding of the assignments and all, the faculty must take the students to this course pages. So once we clicking on the particular course as assignment settings, now here you can see the criteria what a students must do in order to complete.
These all are important. Good.
Here the open date, the due date, and what are the main criteria to complete this assignment can be seen, like to do the view, make a submission, receive a grade, and receive a passing grade.
You didn't add all this criteria to the above assignment?
Above assignment also I did.
Scroll up. Okay. So already done. A student has already
this
submitted.
Previously,
okay.
I did this I demonstrated as a new one.
Okay. Okay.
A teacher should do that. Now, once we click on that assignment, get started, and it gives us that brief instructions. If we give here, it will be displayed that in order to complete that particular assignment, what are the steps to be done. Okay. Now here you can see the submission stated. No submissions have been done yet. Grading status is not graded. Time remaining. I mean, how much time it is remaining for completion of that particular assignment. And if you have modified in that particular time also, that student, if he needs to add something, here you can see. And this is the submission comments that will be given by the faculty.
Yes.
Now, shall I do the add submission, ma'am?
Yes.
I'm clicking on add submission. So these are the file types that we have already given that
access.
Why is not giving all those file types?
So we got all
that we unchecked.
What we have all chosen the files.
Actually, you need to explore this, Amma. So no, you need to explore. Though at the site level we have configured. No, go back to the teacher interface. Go back to the teacher interface and again edit the settings of that assignment. Let's see. There should be some way out.
Activity.
This online text we have unchecked.
No.
Not that one. Accepted file types.
Okay, file types.
Click on choose.
Down,
file type. File type. Choose. Uncheck all. retaining only document. Scroll down, no, uncheck, scroll, retain document type, uncheck all those image files at all. Presentation, uncheck all those, spreadsheet and all. Save. Spreadsheet, okay, save changes. Anything?
Again down, save.
Yeah,
Only
save
document
changes.
files.
Only
will be
document
taken.
files.
Okay, scroll down and save changes. So generally, while submitting as a student, I always demonstrate in the first attempt submit a wrong document file type. So now as a student, refresh that and refresh the page and click on. So drag and drop an Excel file or PPT, it will throw us an error. Always start with this. Okay, got my point, Rajeshwari?
Okay.
While training,
Yes,
so
yes,
because we have specified the file type as docs only, so you can drag and drop. Okay, pick one PPT or Excel file or something, or PDF or something. Okay, it can't be accepted because
the document.
So
files.
you need to demonstrate this to them. So
Okay.
how Moodle prevents submitting other file types. Okay,
Okay.
good. Okay, now you can submit a Word file.
Yes.
So as we mentioned earlier, that student must click the submit assignment, then only it will be considered, or after the remaining time is over, automatically it gets submitted. And if the student wants to edit anything, he can click on edit submission.
So till the deadline, student,
The student
yeah,
has the option
student,
to edit submission.
yeah, they can delete and submit.
Remove
And what is
submission also
the
if you-
what is the advantage of comments feature, submission comments?
that will be given by the, if students wants to give any, he wants to comment on that particular question, he can type it here itself.
Who?
It will, student itself, ma'am. Because this is a student.
So what kind of comments, Rajeshri? So can you suggest some student from the student perspective? After I submit an assignment, what kind of comments a student can make?
If he's having any doubts regarding a question, or else if he is unable to do a question, like
No. For that we have another option, adding a block. We'll add that block. I'll demonstrate. We'll learn how to do that. So generally, as a student, after submitting, I want to seek feedback from my faculty. Okay, got it?
Oh.
So
okay.
what I can type here, ma'am or sir submitted draft version of my assignment.
So it's
Please provide feedback on the same. Okay.
Okay.
So that is how it is useful.
Okay, but not other comments, ma'am. Like it comes under only comments. Okay. Okay.
For my draft assignment, for my draft submission, for my draft assignment that I submitted, something.
That means it is not final.
It's not final. See, for example, no, if I want to submit it as a final, then it's not required. Cancel this. If I want to submit it, cancel
because
this.
we have submitted that he has to submit the assignment. Then
No. See, if I want to submit it as a final assignment, I generally don't seek any feedback from my faculty member, right?
Right.
And also in Indian scenario, rarely faculty members entertain all these. Who will have time to read everything and provide feedback? Okay. So, but this feature is available. You just demonstrate them. Okay.
As you said, this is not used by anyone, ma'am. But the previous one, what I told, but I have a doubt.
For that I'll
or else
you.
error
Okay.
in a question.
Can you go to? No. We will clarify that doubt immediately. Can you show us the teacher interface?
I have gone through some ICET and engineering questions. I came across like such type of
show us the teacher interface. Okay. Click on the assignment page. Click on the assignment first. Then we click on the assignment that you have created. assignment, EC1 assignment. Okay.
Down.
Then
Down,
is
down.
already clicked on. Open that. Open. Go to the assignment. Okay. Now you add a block. Here we have generally what we do. Click on add a block. Open that right side. Add a block and add the comments block. This will be visible only on the assignment page so that students can submit their queries.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You
Okay.
can configure. Click on that icon, comments block icon, cog icon. Click on that. Edit that.
Yes.
Configure comments block. Click on configure comments block.
Yeah, ma'am.
No. Comments block. Okay. Assignment
Display on
EC1.
page
Oh, so
types.
we okay. So this will be display on page types assignment. So only one default. You need not change. Generally, only on the course main page. If
Submission.
we add
Yeah.
something, then we'll change all this date and all. Now, though, it's not required. Okay. Cancel.
Okay.
Cancel. Now go to the student interface. Close the student interface. This is the student interface, huh?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
I need to refresh. Yeah.
Okay, submit your question here as a student. Don't use madam at all, not required. Because this is will be visible to all the students.
Yes.
Whereas the personal draft ka comment to visible to only those. Okay. So can I submit or if I have any difficulty converting a Word file into PDF, if you ask them to submit it, so can I submit as a Word file? Something, any kind of assignment, or I need additional instructions on creating a video file, something.
Okay.
Student, what are the queries? So what is the query you have in your mind, Rajeshri, regarding this assignment?
Like I came across some question errors, ma'am, or else submitting the.
Yeah, that way that is also anything. So if you have attached a template, can I submit using my own document? Is it mandatory to use the same template? Anything. So multiple queries can be. Okay.
Yes,
Submit. Save comment. Saved.
Saved. Here it is showing.
Okay then. So this is how students can post their questions using the comments block.
Yes.
Now you can submit this. Submit assignment. And where is the check?
So this is the
box?
submission
You also
statement.
have the checkbox.
Yeah, there is submission statement. This submission is my own work, except where I have acknowledged the use of works of the other people. You want to submit for grading, you will not be able to make any more changes. So once submitted, you can't do that. Okay.
So you should provide all these instructions, read out these instructions and tell the faculty. So you should demonstrate for the first assignment so that continue. Yeah. So once they submit this, they will not be able to edit their assignment.
The two checkpoints have been done, like view has been done and submission has been done. Okay. Now what the student he or she witnesses is status submitted. It's submitted for grading. Grading is not been done. Time remaining was submitted 6 days early. Okay. So if you are late, it will be displayed as a late submission.
Okay.
Then last modification if you have done anything, and submission comments. This we have done in the block here itself. So here we have not done. So now we will go to teacher interface again and we'll see what the changes the teacher has given. Submission. Now you can see participants, drafts, submitted, needs grading, time remaining. So the time remaining for the teacher also, it will be displaying as 6 days, 11 hours. And what the student has given a comment, that also a student, teacher can see that can I submit a Word file. Now the teacher will give his or her opinion about that. Yes, you can do. And save the comment. The same, student will see there that what.
Not only the same teacher student, all the students
can see. Okay.
View this. That is the advantage of this comments block.
We can go for grading here.
No. 2 ways you can do. View all submissions one by one. Okay. So first show them. Go back. Go. Click on view all submissions.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that you can download. See, from the grading
Fine.
action, you can download the offline grading worksheet. You show them these 2 points are important.
Okay,
Scroll
ma'am.
up to the grading action. Yeah. Under submissions, you have that drop down. Yeah. So first we download all
Grading
submissions
worksheet.
and then download all grading.
Okay.
Edit the grading.
So this is one way of grading. They'll open this file and upload, and you have that download all submissions button.
Right,
Where is
ma'am.
that? Okay, here they can add. Also show them how to download all submissions.
Okay.
Go to the course page.
One second.
Teacher ka. Shows the
One
teacher
second.
ka. We
Teacher.
forgot.
Yes, ma'am.
This is student ka. Teacher.
One second. Teacher. Yeah.
First step is to download all the. See,
Yeah. Grading sheet.
right on the
Download
right top
grading
you
sheet.
have the button download.
All
See,
All
submissions.
in
submissions.
3 point. No. 3 point. No. There is a difference between this and this. Okay.
Okay,
Here
ma'am.
in 3.11, you will get this download all submissions here itself. Whereas
Okay.
in 4.0 onwards, you have download. Okay.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
you need to show them here and ask them to pull down this menu
Okay.
and click on the download all submissions, then followed by download grading worksheet.
Okay.
Okay. Download all submissions. Click on the button. So since you are working on 4.0, click
So it
on
will be
download all
converted as a
submissions. It
zip
will,
format.
yeah. So you need to unzip. You need to tell them,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So in folder,
Yeah, it's coming on. One second. I'm just. So this is our file downloaded. So it's already open. So it will display.
No, zip file it is.
Yeah, already done. One second. I'll show the example. Ma'am, this is how it's coming. So here the faculty can see the status of the particular student, whether he has submitted for grading or not submitted. So he can analyze from here only and put the filters and can check. Any feedback comments he wants to give, he can give it here itself. Maximum grade is 10. If he requires here,
for one
15.
student, you gave less than 10 because we said fail.
You'll get 8. But he has
7
not
or 8.
submitted, no, ma'am. The student 8.
Then give this to the first student only
Okay.
8, so that we'll.
Let's see. 8. And feedback comments will give us needs improvement.
No, this is not a constructive feedback.
Okay.
Generally, I don't encourage needs improvement. So what all they didn't? You didn't elaborate on something. Constructive feedback should be there. Okay. So based on the question,
work on technical skills.
need to explain more on so and so concept or something. So feedback should always be constructive. Needs
Okay.
improvement, not up to the mark and all.
Okay.
Don't give
need
generic.
to
This is
explain
student
on
specific.
that particular concept, whatever they are lagging, we can tell them.
Yeah.
Right?
Say for example, you have asked students to analyze the case. So your analysis is somewhat ambiguous kind of thing. Something. Okay.
Okay. Need to explain on analytical part. I will just put as a. Okay. Last modified grade. Okay. It's not done and save.
And always check whether it is saved as CSV, otherwise Moodle doesn't allow. You should also mention this point. Rajesh, note down all these points.
Okay.
While you are training, you need to explain all these too. So these all are mandatory points. CSV ka, upar CSV. It's already CSV. No. File name is already there.
Okay.
Pick that file name. Dates first one only. Okay. So it's showing, save. Okay. Now show us the teacher interface where you can upload.
Okay. Now this is the teacher interface. Now here you can see grading action. Upload the grading worksheet that you have already graded offline. Okay. Upload grading worksheet. Yes. Upload the file. Choose the file. Yes. This is the file. Team file. Teaching. Upload this file.
Check this hello updating record. Okay. Hello.
Confirm.
Okay, confirm.
Okay. So here you can see out of 20, the student has got 8 marks. Small. Then,
And where do I get that red minus? I mean failed.
pass or fail. That
It
one,
should.
right? It's selected.
So where is that Parajeshwari? Pass or fail?
Scroll up.
Write down this point also. So you should show them where is that. So I think two ways we can check this. One is open the navigation drawer and go to the grades. Navigation block and go to the grades. Oh, I think now also no, go to the course main page. Not here. Go to the course main page because grade book. Where is the grade book? Course main page. Not assignment ka. Course main page. You get that grades. Where is that option?
More. Course page.
Why do you want to go to the dashboard again and again?
Course page.
More. Click on more. And I
Grade,
think from anywhere.
Grades. You see grades otherwise?
Grades tab is there.
Yeah, graded report.
Okay. Now scroll down. What is the teacher one?
Now that courses, it is displaying that EC1 assignment. This one is the other one.
No. Scroll up. I think some.
Click once.
You
Click
have already
on
applied
AC1
something. Scroll
assignment.
up. Scroll.
Once. Ma'am, letting click AC1
No.
assignment. My doubt is he has submitted the assignment EC1, ma'am. In that particular assignment only might be it be shown.
No, it will again lead to this particular page only.
No. Okay. Go back.
No, the second. Can you? No, I want to see.
Yeah.
Where are the grades? Teacher one. This is student one, gada.
But here.
As a teacher point of view, we have to see, no, ma'am, the grades.
Grader will be only given to teacher point of view, no, ma'am, and student point of
No.
view.
Grader report means for all the students I should get. Can you scroll up? It's a grader report. No, click.
Reports, ma'am, reports.
No, here a student should be displayed.
No. This actually. This is a bug. A teacher click on reports and I want the grade book. I don't think we'll get it under the
activity completion.
No. Activity completion there you get with Red Cross and all. Yeah. I want this with Red Cross. As I said, two ways you can see that passed or failed. On the grade book you should get. So can you pull down that grader report? Just above all participants, you have that grader report. Pull down that menu.
Grade history, grade summary, grade book setup.
No. Click on grade summary. What is there? No. Okay, change that. Pull down that too.
Grade setup. Grade book setup.
No. Not setup. Student view. User report. Click on user report. Not a selected user among. Again, click on. Pull down that menu. User report. Change that to grader report. I think is there a bug in 4.0
Okay, this
or
feature
what?
we will see, ma'am. Where we'll get.
No. Can you open QuickForce? I'll tell you
Okay.
how ideally it should be. QuickForce.ibs in your .watch. Login as a dummy teacher. Login as a dummy teacher. We have teacher one at one. Go to a course and grade book. Now click on the grades in the navigation block. Scroll down. Push the navigation block aside. See, this is how we are supposed to get student ka. So in that Nomio site, it is showing
There is
teacher.
a bug maybe, ma'am.
What is this? They said they improved something in 4 and then no one has reported this.
Actually, on 15th, there is a webinar, ma'am, about the new features of 4.1. In Moodle, it is showing.
No. You thoroughly check both of you on Nomio sites. You also have a Nomio site, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Or check it on your local host and check. Okay.
Okay,
If you
ma'am.
get
Okay.
this with a screenshot, you log into Moodle.org forums and in the assignments you post this whether it's a bug in 4.0 or not. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now you go to that Nomio site. I'll tell you how we can view that. Okay. Nomio, where is your Nomio site? Okay. Pull down this grader report again. Single view option should be there. Yeah. Click on single view.
Users
Or grade item. Click on grade item. Then also I don't think it will show us. Okay, users. Scroll down. Click on users and see. Select a grade item. Again assignment only. Scroll up. Select a grade item. Upar. Yeah.
assignment.
Why student is not displaying?
Are
Users must be there, no, ma'am. Student 8, student 4 is there. He already.
No, you have
submitted,
selected grade item. No.
so for grade item also ideally
User should be.
I should get the student list. Go to QuickForce again. I'll show you the same feature on QuickForce 3.11. Go to the last tab.
Yeah, ma'am.
And pick the single view. So I'll report this bug in the Moodle forums. Let's see. Okay. Pick one grade item. Select grade item. Group assignment with peer assessment or something. Scroll down. See.
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Ideally, we should get the students. What is this?
Here we are not getting any student.
Okay, it's a bug, I think, to be reported. Let me check. So can you go to moodle.org, Bhishma? Open a new tab, moodle.org. First, check on your local host whether it's the same bug is there. Click on the forums, upper cut menu may forums, and on the right side you have assignments and check whether it's posted or not. Click on communities. Click on communities.
No, no. Here
First of-
assignments.
First option. Expand communities. No. Expand. Now click on communities. Moodle English. Click on Moodle English. Upper first one. So on the left side, you have assignment. Click on this assignment. Scroll down. Okay. So check whether it's been not assignment, grades. Sorry, the problem is with the grades. Do we have any option for grades?
No, ma'am.
No.
Grade book we have.
Badges we have, but
There is
no
grade book we have. Click
grade
on that grade book. Check whether anyone has already reported or not. First, check on your local
Oh, okay.
host.
Local
Let's
we'll
see.
see, ma'am.
Okay.
Then we'll see.
Then you need to
In
register on Moodle.
4.2, non-editing
for-
teachers cannot edit
and
grades.
post it in the. That is different.
That is different. So
Our is ideally I should get the students
the
under
student does
grade
not see the
grader
grades
report.
for the hidden elements.
No. This is not okay. You explore on your own. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Next week I already shared that OER resources. You add
Yes,
two
ma'am.
sheets on the Excel sheet. One is for the plugins and one is for the second one. We thought of what?
This one, ma'am, accessible activities, activity completion reports and all.
No. Two Excel sheets.
Plugins one, ma'am, and tags. Like exploring on the tags and all, we have to give a, what do you say, Excel sheet and include in that explored items, ma'am.
No. Second Excel sheet name was something else. Okay, check. Go through your notes and check. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. For all the plugins, you are expected to add all the columns and who is worked on this and what are the useful features and what are the documentation and YouTube videos available and use case in IBS. Okay. And this is the PDF. The reason it's not viewable, we forgot to show this. Okay.
I'll display in that previous assignment how that.
You have another assignment. Okay.
Sure.
We forgot this. Good. So we have two options. Directly, we can click on the button grade to grade on this online. If you want to download submissions and offline grading worksheet, that is the second option. Okay, you tell them these two. Click on the grade. Earlier we explored view all grade submissions. Now we are clicking on grade.
The student has submitted the PDF. So the annotated PDF works here.
It's a confidential and you uploaded it as an assignment.
So I found one file and I just uploaded.
No, don't do that. Don't do that during the trainings, okay?
No. During the training, I won't do all those things. So you can highlight your text by, where is that highlighter? Okay.
Pick the colors first.
Pick the colors and you can highlight. Okay.
You show them how to pick the colors. Change the colors. If I want to change the color.
Yeah. You can
make
change
it
the color.
Yellow or something. Yeah, I can pick.
Black color also.
And I can use the freehand comment kind of thing. That is also there. Yeah, you can write something.
There because student
you can select using that square
pen and all, no, so they can do that. Even if any image
so the square for selection,
you can
circle also you can.
And if you find any answer is wrong, directly take the stamp tool and put it as
frequently used comments. Where can I add that?
Here, if you find that answer
wrong stamp. Okay.
Stamp tool, and if you
smileys also we have, right?
Also, so that it will encourage the students for
motivating this one. Good.
Right,
good.
So this
and
ma'am.
Frequently used comments. We also have that feature. Show them that also. I think third option. No, not one. Cross this. First add the comment and make it as a frequently used. Add that comment. Add that. No. You have that feature to add that. Click on that comment you added. So add to frequently used. Yeah. Add to the quick list. Yeah. Okay. So this also you need to. And then right side you give the marks and also show them. Scroll down on the right block. show them how to use the video. That is audio feedback. Feedback. Right side. You have the feedback comments block. No, right side block.
Under
This
grades.
one second.
Right side, yeah, column.
Yeah.
So either they can give text or they can use audio. Okay,
Audio, start recording.
record that, and yeah, start
Yeah,
recording.
assignment is very good. You need to improve on your analytical skills. Stop recording.
And be
Attach the
Anna. No, don't attach. They can play that. You have that option, right? Then
No,
they can attach.
Okay, check
Here
it
it
No,
is
no.
giving.
Say for example, if I want to re-record it, then I'll have this option.
Okay.
Got it? Got my
Okay.
point? So that is okay. Now save changes. Or if you have multiple submissions, then save and show next. Okay. And they can also here also say, for example, from here, if they want to choose a user, they can directly pick instead of going to the top change user. Top. I'm using the annotation tool. Top.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Pull down this arrow and change the user.
Student.
Yeah. Pick the users. Yeah. Directly they say, for example, I want to start with some students who have some challenges in learning. So I can pick them. I know as a faculty member, I know them, so that I can spend more time for providing my constructive feedback. Okay. I think we have covered 95% of all the features, excepting not 95, at least 80%, excepting the rubrics and all
Rubrics,
this. Okay. Next week
we'll
you
work it
present.
on
Both of you work on this, and today's notes also you add this to your with e-learning. You add to a folder. Okay. Or in the folder, you upload this meeting minutes poll, okay, session minutes poll, okay, and add that URL in that column, okay, under that column, Rajeshwari, okay.
Okay.
So next week when you present, Bhishma will do that.
Okay.
Okay, ma. Okay, you keep learning and sharing. Okay, bye bye.
Okay. Bye.